how to qualify and secure good rank and good score in GATE 2022. Here it shows the detailed analysis of GATE 2021 conducted by IIT Bombay for ECE and Electrical Engineering branch. You see, the number of candidates appeared. For ECE, total more than 80,000 students were appeared. And for Electrical Engineering, you can see 87,000 students have appeared, right? Exact number 87,559, right? And for ECE, 80,629. But you just look at the pass percentage. For ECE, we have only 13.84% pass percentage or total percentage of students qualified. And in the case of electrical engineering, only 17.41. Why this much less number of students qualified or less pass percentage? The answer is simple. It is only due to the lack of proper concept, right? So even though the cutoff marks for ECE is only 25, so you need only to score 25 marks out of 100 for ECE branch so as to qualify the GATE. And in the case of EE, electrical engineering, we required only 30.30 marks out of 100 so as to qualify, right, for electrical engineering. Still, the pass percentage is very less. The average mark is 12.63 for ECE and 17.26 marks for electrical engineering, right? Total, we know we have total 100 marks. The maximum mark is 100, right? Total number of questions for GATE, any branch, we have 65 questions, right? So 65 questions for 100 marks. And from this 100 marks, 15 marks for aptitude. That is qualitative and quantitative aptitude, verbal reasoning, etc. 15 marks, right? So how many questions? We have 10 questions from aptitude section, right? Out of 10 questions, 5 questions is for, out of this 10, 5 into 1 mark, right? And 5 questions into 2 marks. So total, we have 15 marks for aptitude section. And total number of questions is 10, right? Then the remaining marks is 85 marks. 85 marks. Okay. This is for mathematics plus our core subject. Maths plus core subjects for the respective branches, right? So if you are very good in aptitude section, that is a quantitative aptitude, or in qualitative aptitude, you can easily score this 15 marks. Then the remaining mark, so as to qualify for GATE ECE branch is 10 marks, 15 plus 10, 25 marks. And here we will get some 15 more marks, additional marks. If you secure this 15 marks completely, right? Okay, since this is very easy for a student to score 15 marks. For training, placement, etc., you are studying the aptitude, qualitative and quantitative analysis, etc. So getting 10 marks out of that 15 is very easy for an average student, right? The thing is that you should not make any negative marks. So we can discuss the remaining mark. Remaining, we have total 85 marks, right? This includes mathematics plus our core subject. And we have nearly 8 to 9 core papers. The core papers means the paper from the respective branches, right? This much core papers. Okay. Out of which we have 25 questions. 25 questions into 1 marks, right? 1 mark, that is equal to 25 marks, right? And we have 30 questions of 2 marks each, 30 into 2. So this is equal to 60 marks, right? So 60 plus this 25, we have the remaining, this 85 marks, right? So as to qualify the GATE, you require only 25 or 30. That may be vary that depending upon the performance, average performance of the students, right? For GATE 2021, we have mandated 68 students total, out of which 40 students from electrical engineering branch and 28 students from electronics and communication engineering branch, right? And our pass percentage is more than 94%. Total 64 out of 68 students were qualified in GATE 2021 from our institution, out of which 3 students comes in the first 100, right? And 27 students in the first 1,000. So we have 3 ranks within the range of 100 and 27 ranks within the range of 1,000, right? Out of these 40 students, all were qualified, and out of 28, 24 students were qualified in GATE 2021, right? Our method is based on triple R. That means 3R model. 3R model means read, recite, and review. What we are providing? We are providing 4 months intensive coaching, intensive program for GATE, ECE, EE, and this time we also offering GATE for instrumentation branch also. So we are providing coaching for EE, ECE, and instrumentation branch. So what is our strategy? Our strategy is 4 months intensive training. We are providing 4-hour daily live interactive sessions, right? So for any brand, we have some 8 to 9 corporators. For each paper, we are providing some 12 sections. 12 sections. Each section consisting of 4 hours. So 12 into 4, that is equal to 48 hours. So you will get 48-hour class for your core papers, right? And the remaining hours is for mathematics and aptitude. Before January 15, our complete syllabus will be covered. So each day we have sectional mock test. So you are attending 4-hour daily class. That is live, direct, interactive session. That will be also recorded, and you can use that recorded classes for your future reference. After each class, we are conducting mock tests. So you can analyze your performance daily, on a daily basis, right? Then you have daily doubt clearance sessions. You attended in a day, you have any doubt, then you can clarify your doubt by one-to-one interaction session, right? Then we are providing e-study materials. If you have passion, you have determination, and you are willing to hard work for the 4 months, join with us and land a job in PSU or secure an admission in IITs, NITs, or in other prestigious institutions.